All right, so we're gonna set up this new print server that we have here for the parallel port printer, startech.com. This is the print server that has a reset button to the side. This is the actual device here, and it has a reset button right here. Whenever you're buying any print servers, be it the parallel port or the USB, make sure that you get one with a reset button, because we have got thousands of dollars worth of these devices that got reset, and the IP address got changed from the default IP address, and we don't know what the new IP addresses are. All right, so to set it up is very simple. You go to you get a laptop. I'm connecting just directly from the laptop to the print server, and I've set the laptop to the same. Go properties here, and I've set the TCP/IP for. I've set it to use the following IP address, and I've set it to the same settings as per what is on the print server. So the print server is on the 192.168.0, and I've set it to 0.100 for this machine here, and this device here is .10. For the application that I'm going to be doing for this client, their print server is 192.168.0.50. So I'm going to be changing these two devices, because what happens is that we have to have two devices for each client. They always have a spare. This company, they do millions of dollars worth of printing on a daily basis, and they can't afford to have a printer being out. All right, so that's the first thing we do. We set the IP address on the network card, and then we connect the network to the device. And then what I do to make sure that we are seeing this device is that I'm going to ping it. So so here we type PING space 192 dot, which is what it said right here, .168, yeah, 168.0.10. Here it is the command, ping. Okay, enter, and sure enough, it's pinging the device right here. See the light blinking there, and here it is that it's right there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go now directly into we're going to load the browser, and let me see what it says here. We go to the browser and see if we can load the print server details. So we type 192, the IP address of the .168, because it has a web browser built in, a print server built into the device. 10, enter. I'm doing this live, and here it should be coming up. Beautiful. All right, so everything is good right here. So we just simply go into the setting, and we do click on setup right here. All right, let me figure out this part of it, and then I'll record that section. But system, let me click on setup here, printer. Let's disable TCP/IP settings. All right, so this is it here. So this is where I use the following IP address, and all I need to do is just go to and just change it from 10 to 50 to 50, and the default gateway is, as in the case of my 192.168.0.55. The default gateway at this client is a little bit different from the regular default, but that is basically where you would change the IP address. Don't matter anything else. Let me pull this down here. We have disabled the DNS server, and that is it. Save and restart. 192.168, 192.168.0.55. Save and restart. 55 is the IP address of the save and restart. So it's on 50. That's it. All right, so that is as simple as it is. Connect the laptop directly to the device. You load the device, the IP address for the default here, and it will bring up the print server application web app, which is coming directly from this device. Boy, I tell you, this is how simple it is. All right, and then once you connect this to the network, it will automatically assign the number to it and move along. All right, thank you. This is how we install the Starcom print server. StarTech.com print server. This is for the USB port. All right. Okay, good.